Get ready to experience a jaw-dropping or inspiring vacation destination along the beautiful sandy shores of the Dominican Republic. Falcons Beyond Destination Punta Cana is packed with excitement. Here, guests will enjoy a world-class theme park, unique and immersive diversions, and shops and restaurants that satisfy your every craving, all while staying at a luxury 5-star resort steps away from the action. Falcons Resort by Melia All Suites Punta Cana seamlessly blends premium resort amenities and extraordinary entertainment experiences that translates into casual, sophisticated fun for everyone. This resortainment concept boasts accommodations brimming with luxuries and amenities that Melia Hotels International is revered for. Take advantage of a wide variety of offerings, from high-end bars, restaurants, private lounges, swim-up suites, and a spa, to recreational activities such as golfing, spinning, a kids camp, a water park, and a fitness center. The personalized touches integrated into your visit will elevate your vacation beyond expectations. With the Dominican Republic's incredible natural beauty surrounding you, it's easy to imagine plotting a course for this one-of-a-kind destination. At Kathmandu Park Punta Cana, reality is turned upside down. Experience never-before-seen ride technologies, interactive storytelling, and captivating mega park-level attractions. Embark on a journey through the hidden realms and discover legendary secrets on an exhilarating 4D dark ride. Become a hero in the Explorer's Hall as you traverse its many wondrous rooms and unexpected realms in this first-of-its-kind interactive walkthrough experience. Climb aboard the world's first suspended theater attraction and go on a daring underwater rescue mission from inside an exceptional submarine. And blast your way to victory in a revolutionary, gamified, interactive theater loaded with special effects and scoring opportunities. Additionally, you'll find a wide variety of distinctly Kathmandu attractions, experiences, and activities for all ages. At the epicenter of the resort and theme park is Falcons Central, an expansive complex currently in development. Here, some of the most treasured brands of our time spring to life at location-based entertainment venues. Virtual adventures invite guests to explore. State-of-the-art gaming bays entice players to collaborate or compete for big wins. And innovative, interactive experiences empower guests to influence the outcome of their collective journey. All this action stokes the appetite, but not to worry. Signature restaurants and bistros created by acclaimed chefs are close by. Shoppers will be impressed by a captivating mix of high-end stores and local favorites. Day or night, this is a pulsating atmosphere unlike any other. Falcons Beyond Destination Punta Cana. Come for vacation. Stay for extraordinary.